Did you know chemical pollution and plastics in the ocean represent about 80% of human activities and comes from near parts? If we don't react for these environmental alerts, much of this wildlife will disappear. And case of all this pollution comes from the use of fertilizer on farms, lead of the runoff of chemicals into waterways that ultimately flow into the ocean.
However, we can see in future times some negative effects on health and the environment caused by algal bloom, and they will hurt local fishing and tourism industries.
Did you know the rainwater strain big with them chemical based oils, dirt, bacteria, so on? Rainwater is not very clean like another's time. Now it is very dirty on third. That cause will disturb the plants making a generic challenge and transform oil. Life faster and we'll get another. Pandemics unlike the COVID-19 and tea is not used for the earth.
The sea is very contaminated for the rain too, so scientists say that in 5 years the seas will be extremely polluted and 30% of their known species will disappear. Big factories must stop dumping waste at sea. We must find ways to clean his water and not contribute to its destruction.
Now it's time to talk about food pollution. So, did you know the oceans are the lungs of the planet and they are primordial point for our feed, oxygen production, and medicines? Well, this trash poses dangers to both humans and animals. Fish become tangled and injured in the brine, and some animals mistake items like plastic bags, food, and eat them. When small organisms that consume microplastics are eaten by larger animals, the toxic chemicals then become part of their body. In this way, the microplastic pollution migrates up the food chain and eventually becoming part of the food that humans eat. So, that's a very, very big mistake that humans do to contaminate the oceans.